Hello class, this is Philip Greenberg once again, taking on the Webturtle challenge, in which we have to create a program that reacts to different inputs. When putting in an input of 3, it's supposed to draw a triangle. When it's input 4, it's supposed to draw a square. Input 5, it'll draw a pentagon. If you input either less than 3 or greater than 5, it will show the text, enter 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so to start with, show turtle. Let's see. I'm going to, as is my usual, move it out of the way. So left 90. Move it 50 spaces, pixels I guess, and I'll set it up ready to type just in case. Move it a little further. Left 90 again, move it down 30, and then left 90 so I can have it facing back towards the start. Okay, and also to demonstrate the let command, I'm going to change the caret to a different let I stand in for the caret for user input, I meaning input in this case. So if I equals 3, then we want a triangle. We'll make that red. Color red, and then using repeat function, we'll make 3 lines. Repeat 3, draw 60, and then rotate left 120 degrees and repeat, and end if to end that choice. Now to test it, we'll put in, well, let's see, nothing happens, but if we put in 3 and draw it, we get a triangle. Cool. Okay, then on to the next one. If I equals 4, we'll make a square. I'll make this one yellow. And we'll be making 4 lines, so repeat 4. Draw 60. Make that a left turn of 90 degrees, and next, and end if to change that. Okay. Ooh, whoops. Move that there. Okay, now let's change it to 4 and draw it. Cool. Now we have a... Okay. Next, a pentagon. If I equals 5, let's do blue. Color blue. And since it is a pentagon, you guessed it, we're probably going to repeat 5 times. Repeat the following command 5 times. Draw 60. We would rotate left by quick 72 degrees. There we go. And next, and if. Let's try that one on for size. Pentagon. Now, the kicker. We'll have to do these separately, but if I is less than 3, or if I is greater than 5, then I'm going to move it over a bit so I can fit the text in. So right 180, move 50, color purple, print enter 3, 4, 4, 5. I'm also going to copy that down here, and if, and down here, and if. Okay, so let's try 2. Enter 3, 4, 5. Great. 3. Triangle. 4. A square. 5. A pentagon. 6. Enter 3, 4, 5. That's just for fun's sake. 60,000. 60,000. Enter 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go. We have a multiple choice program. Okay, that's all for now. Everybody have a good night.